You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 25. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 5x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply the coefficients. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 65x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 100. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 25.